Hi there, Jenny Laughlin here from Waxwing Sewing Studio. I'm here to help you learn what block fusing is, and we're looking at the Tessuti Helga. In the Tessuti Helga pattern, there's one piece, the shirt collar, if you're doing the version B, that asks that you do your interfacing using a block fuse method. So all you need to do in order to do that is after you cut the rest of your pattern, make sure you have a nice piece that's going to be big enough that when you fold it in half, that you're going to be able to get your collar out of it twice. So 1, 2. So I have a big enough piece here in order to be able to get my two, my front collar and the front of my collar and my back of my collar. So I have my piece that's big enough for that. Mine's about, you can do 7 or 8 inches, maybe 8 inches by like 20 inches should be plenty. And then you just need a piece of interfacing. Your interfacing, this is a lightweight interfacing. What you're going to be doing is fusing it to the fabric, and the gluey side is the side that's a little bit shinier, and it has you can really feel the texture of the glue, whereas on the other side, it's softer. So that's how you can tell which side is down. The gluey side is down. So block fuse, we're just going to get this entire piece interfaced, and then once you've interfaced this, which to do that, you would grab a press cloth, or if you have one of our sewing kits in front of you, you can actually use the tissue that comes in the kit as a press cloth, which is nice because you don't have to get your iron dirty or your press cloth dirty if you already have one. And then you would go through and you would hold down the iron for 20 seconds, and then you would move it and hold it down for 20 seconds and let it overlap where you originally fused. And you would keep going like that all the way across until you had it completely fused. And once you have that piece fused, all you'll need to do is fold it in half like you normally would. Make sure you have a nice straight grain line here, and then cut out your 2 collars and you're done. So that's how you block fuse for the Helga collar. Thank you so much.